If you are thinking to buy a new laptop now, then wait, watch this video till the end, then decide should you have to buy a laptop or desktop PC, because in this video I am going to talk about top 7 factors or top 7 reasons why you should not buy a laptop. Instead you should go with a desktop. Hi, you are watching Som Tips. Let's get started. So basically what happens when any new students is going to buy a computer, they basically prefer to a notebook or laptop because you can use it anywhere, whatever in your room. You can use it in bed, you can use it in your dining table, and even you can carry this to your school, college and office. Anywhere you can go with the laptop. So this is the main reason why students and office workers are preferring it. But after the lockdown, everyone in home, so basically work from home and learning online classes, everything is happening from home. So the need for the traveling and carrying our laptop here and there is reduced because everything is happening from home and you cannot go outside because of the broadband Wi-Fi. Most of the people use the Wi-Fi, so if you go outside, you will not get the Wi-Fi network. So that is the main reason people are using at home. So now that option is open, so you can optionally, you have the option to use the desktop. So why you should use desktop? I will talk about 7 reasons why should you not use laptop, instead you go with the desktop. First one is the very important thing, and everyone from India do take care of this factor, that is called price, cost. To get the same amount of processors, like if you are using i5 in your desktop and if you are using same generation i5 in your laptop, desktop building cost will be less than laptop, because laptop is a very small compact device and we all know as small as the device will be, the cost will be high. So next after the price, it comes to the performance. Again, if you are spending lots of money in laptop, you are not getting the same amount of speed or performance. We all know the laptop or the notebook processors may be the same name, like i5, i7 will be the same generation, like 7th or 8th generation. But if you compare the same generation, same processor with desktop and laptop, you will notice the clock speed will be less in your laptop and it will be high in your desktop, because laptop runs on the battery basically, and the power supply unit, you can see the laptop charger is very small, like there will be the power consumption will be less, so the performance will be also less, and that's why CPU are designed in such a way it can give a long battery life for your laptop. Next thing is that there is a sufficient amount or very limited amount of ports available on USB ports or something else. But if you choose to a desktop, you have lots of port in the back side of the motherboard, you have the front panel, so at least you will get 7 or 8 USB ports including front and back, you will get easily. Number 3 is the experience. Maybe it will be the full HD 1080 pixel display, but the display size is on an average is 15.6 inch. But if you go with the desktop, if you are going with the full HD, you will get at least 18 or 20 inch monitor. I should prefer you go with the 24 inch monitor, at least if you are using at home. At least go with 24, if not possible 19 or 22 may be enough, so you can see the fonts in big size and it will be very useful for your eyes. It will not give a pressure in your eyes if you are going to use this monitor or desktop in your home. So if you use desktop, you can even use a very good premium quality mechanical keyboards, gaming mouse, everything you can use it, so the experience will be the high level experience. Number 4 is the posture or the sitting. So if you use the laptop in your lap, in your bed or any or something, so you will always look towards the down when you are typing. This way you will type, so this creates a pain in the neck, so in the long time it will create a problem in your neck, in your spinal cord, So it is a very much bad effect, and if your pain starts in your neck or if you have the spondylitis once started in your total life, you have to deal with it. So if you are still using a laptop, you should use a desk table and an official chair, like whatever official chair is available. I think in online you will get 3,000 or 4,000 rupees chair and 2 or 3,000 rupees table. Just buy it, invest it in the money. So I will put those table and chair link in the description. You should try and buy it. Number 5, that is the beauty of using desktop or computer. Maybe you have the money to buy the CPU, RAM, but you just do not have the money to buy an additional graphics card. You can buy the graphics card after 1 year, or when you have money after 6 months, you can buy it and just install in your device or in your CPU cabinet and you are good to go. But for the laptop purpose, you cannot upgrade any hardware unless RAM in your laptop. So if you are buying any laptop with a configuration where the graphics card is not there, there is no chance in the future you can buy additional graphics card and install it, because graphics card, CPU, these all things are embedded in a single board and they are inserted in your laptop. So that is the difference between the laptop and the desktop. Laptop and mobile do the same thing. Once you buy, you cannot change the configuration, but laptop does give the option to expand the storage and RAM, but the CPU and the motherboard, this kind of thing, you cannot interchange it. So that is the beauty of using the desktop. You can change it, you can upgrade it, and you can sell the old devices online in second hand, so you can earn money from it. When one device is being damaged, you can just replace it. Whole system do not have to replace. So that is the beauty of using desktop. Next thing is coming warranty. So most of the laptop gives warranty about 1 year, but if you buy the separate purchase the separate things one by one, means assemble those things, like for the desktop, if you are buying processor from AMD and you are buying Gigabyte for the motherboard purpose, you are using some other companies like Corsair for the RAM. So it's a hybrid system, lots of companies there. So individually every company will give you 3 years of warranty. So SSD, RAM, even RAM right now giving lots of company 10 years or 5 years warranty. So you have the long term warranty. Power supply unit also 3 years of warranty, monitors give 3 years of warranty, processor get 3 years of warranty, motherboard also 3 years of warranty. So the PC component individually you will get a long time warranty time, 3 years to 5 years on an average. But for the laptop, whole system will be 1 year, and repairing cost of the laptop is also high. And for the desktop, if you know how to deassemble it, just deassemble the RAM, deassemble the processor, deassemble the motherboard, and go to the service center, nearest service center, submit there. Either they will replace or repair. You just take it home and again install it. That's it, done. You do not have to bear any kind of cost for the engineer. But for the laptop, you have to go after 1 year to service center or even local shop. They will charge money just for the opening the device. So that is a very bad impact of using the laptop. And the last thing is that the knowledge. If you from the childhood started using the laptop and you have never opened any computer cabinet, because normal people do not open the laptop, and even I do not recommend you for the newbies to open the laptop, because laptop is a very small device. If you do anything bad, it will just destroy whole laptop. But for the cabinet purpose or the desktop, it has a big device. If you open it and there is a component will be separate, you can see in your eyes clearly which is RAM, which is processor, and even you can see the battery where there. So everything in size is big, they are spacious, so you can see them and you can learn from them how the computer basically works. So when you understand the computer thing how works, you can already know how the laptop works. So for the newbies, it is highly recommended to use the computer, not the laptop. If you're joining any company for the job, what it will be, you should have the laptop. Most of the companies, small, medium companies and even big companies does provide additional system, like they provide laptops. Yes, every company provide a laptop dedicated system to the users, or basically the workers, for the employers of the company. So you do not have to hesitate for it, that when you are getting job you should have the laptop or not. They will provide it. If you say we do not have it, they will provide it. So there is no problem. And the work from home, I already said, you are sitting at home, you are using the home network, basically the broadband, so you are not going outside. So what is the needed of the laptop? Just go in the desktop. And the cons of using the desktop is that if you once started using desktop from the starting, and after some years if you want to shift to laptop, I can guarantee you will not like it. You will hate the laptop after using desktop for a long time for its experience. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? What people should choose, laptop or desktop? I think, in my personal opinion, desktop is always the best. You will get the performance, value for money, experience, and you will get proper gesture to sit in front of the computer. So that's all in this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and be safe.